Looking at some other news now, well, the Delhi dangle is only heating up, with the Aam Aadmi Party announcing more electoral freebies, as it were, with Arvind Kejriwal announcing 1,800 rupees for priests. Now, that's an interesting welfare scheme, perhaps, or however political analysts may want to word it. But this is interesting given the fact that we've seen in the past 2 years at least, Arvind Kejriwal looking at some sort of paperback version of Hindutva. We all remember the Lakshmi Ganesh that he had promised to, or had pitched as an idea to print on, Indian currency notes. So that was interesting as well. So Kejriwal, in a sense, answering the BJP's Hindutva with its own paperback version. He's come under a lot of criticism for that as well, but these are all pictures of Arvind Kejriwal with Delhi Chief Minister Atishi meeting with people, meeting with Delhiites there, announcing more electoral SOPs. But let's listen to what Arvind Kejriwal had to say.
ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिनका समाज के प्रति बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है, लेकिन कभी भी समाज ने उनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, किसी पार्टी किसी सरकार ने उनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया। आज जो योजना का मैं ऐलान करने जा रहा हूं, इस योजना का नाम है पुजारी ग्रंथी सम्मान योजना। इस योजना के तहत मंदिरों में भगवान की पूजा करने वाले लोगों को पूजा करवाने वाले पुजारियों को और गुरुद्वारे में ग्रंथियों को हर महीने सम्मान राशि देने का प्रावधान है। हम जानते हैं कि किस तरह से एक पुजारी हमारे सुख दुख सब में काम आता है। हमारे घर में शादी हो, बच्चे का बर्थडे हो, कोई भी खुशी का मौका हो, या कोई मौत हो जाए या कोई गम का मौका हो, हर वक्त पुजारी हमारे साथ होता है, हमारे को उसमें अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन करता है, भगवान की पूजा कराता है हमें। ये वो तबका है जिसने सदियों से हमारी परंपराओं, हमारे रीति रिवाजों, इसको पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी, एक तरह से जो गुरु शिष्य परंपरा पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी इसने आगे बढ़ाया, हमारे संस्कारों को, हमारी रीति रिवाजों को, हमारे परंपराओं को। लेकिन इसने कभी भी अपने परिवार की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, और कभी भी हम लोगों ने इनकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया। हम मंदिर जाते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, लेकिन कभी भी इनकी तरफ हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया। आज इस योजना के जरिए हम, इसे मैं वेतन या तनख्वाह नहीं कहूंगा, एक तरह से इनका सम्मान करने के लिए इसकी घोषणा कर रहे हैं कि लगभग 18,000 रुपये महीना इनको सम्मान राशि दी जाएगी हमारी सरकार।
Let me go across to my colleague Ishika. So Ishika, this story is not so much about the freebies or the SOPs, but more about, this kind of transition in politics that we have seen as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. And this is something, if you remember, ahead of the MCD polls as well, Arvind Kejriwal had announced that, we would request the central government to print Lakshmi Ganesh on, rupee notes. So this is along those lines, because we've seen the Aam Aadmi Party answering the BJP's Hindutva politics with its own paperback version of Hindutva, and this kind of outreach we've seen in the past as well, as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. Deconstruct that for us, break it down for us. How significant is that as far as Delhi politics is concerned?
Well, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, this kind of reply playing on BJP's Hindutva card is not new for Arvind Kejriwal. We saw similar thing, similar campaign by him rather in a press conference ahead of the MCD polls, and we are seeing an even bigger, in terms of a poll promise that he has made just ahead of Delhi elections. Today, Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party National Supremo, has announced that 18,000 rupees rupees will be credited to the accounts of the priests and the granthis who are serving in fact, in the temples and gurudwaras of the national capital if Aam Aadmi Party comes back to power. So certainly this time, Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal himself has attacked on BJP's Hindutva card, which we have seen how the BJP plays in every state elections and national elections. Now, this certainly will be posing a challenge to the BJP, but to what extent in this Delhi election, that certainly remains to be the bigger question. We'll have to wait and watch as to what response will come from the BJP side, and will they come with a bigger poll promise or not? Because until and unless that happens, this is certainly going to impact the BJP's campaign. But what is also important here, Vedant, is that today Aam Aadmi Party Supremo has also announced that the registrations for this will start from tomorrow itself, and it will be Arvind Kejriwal himself who would be starting this registration from the Hanuman Mandir in the Connaught Place. And we have seen how the Hanuman Mandir has played a very significant part when it comes to the political career of Arvind Kejriwal. When he came out of the jail, he went to Hanuman Temple. When his wife started the campaign, they went to the Hanuman Temple. So certainly, trying to get, the emotional connect with the priest as well is what we can assume here. But regarding the registrations, we have already seen how there is already a political war of words over the two poll promises, over the registrations of the two poll promises that have been announced. So certainly we are expecting a similar political war of words will erupt over the registration regarding this as well. And this is only set to intensify in the coming days. Over to you.
So that's an important point you made, Ishika, that the Hanuman Mandir, there's a lot of symbolism there, as it were, given the fact that Arvind Kejriwal, after he came out of jail, he went there, he started his campaign, in Delhi from the Hanuman Mandir, and Sunita Kejriwal also, as you rightly pointed out. But also looking at the other aspect here is that, this entire welfare politics and the Delhi budget being in deficit. For the first time in many decades, you have the Delhi budget in deficit. How does the Aam Aadmi Party plan to finance these welfare schemes, one after the other, as being announced by Arvind Kejriwal? That's also going to be important, and that's going to be a big flashpoint between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party as well, with the BJP constantly saying that your coffers are empty. How are you going to finance these poll stops?
Well, more than, a flashpoint being between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, it is certainly going to be more of a face-off between the Delhi departments and, in fact, the Delhi government, as we have seen. Because remember, Vedant, that when, in fact, the Mahila Samman Yojana scheme was announced, we saw how the finance department of the Delhi government had already said that, the Delhi government, is not going to be able to afford the scheme, and thus it should not be brought for the approval of the cabinet. And then, in fact, the officials in the Delhi government themselves saying this, that for the first time in 31 years, the Delhi's budget has gone into a deficit. So, quoting all of those observations from Delhi government's own department, BJP has been attacking Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister Atashi, and the Aam Aadmi Party overall. So that certainly is going to continue. But we are seeing that as far as the stand of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, Arvind Kejriwal continues to reiterate the fact that they will be able to afford it. After they come back to election, they have the funds, is what he says. And, he will be able to deliver on those poll promises. But certainly now it is up to the opposition as to how they, they up their ante over this regarding, the fund deficit here in Delhi's budget. Over to you.